Well, hello there, my darlings, and welcome to Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. Hello, and thank you for joining me here today. Today I have a Canadian Dollar Tree haul, and I am so excited to show you what I have found, my darlings. Oh my gosh, I'll take those off. I've just been outside. I'm in my bathing suit. So let's just get into this. I'll do some things, kind of the boring things quickly here. I got this Wizard Magic eraser sheets, multi-purpose scrubbing sheets. You get 16 in here, and I have done a review on this. If I can remember, I'll try to link it down below. These are awesome, and I ran out, so I got those. I got some more of the Ultra Shine 10 packs dish detergent, and I got two more of those. I use these in my dishwasher. I really like them. I've been buying them for years. I also got some cocktail sauce, and the brand is Clubhouse, and they only had extra hot. I needed some of this, so I picked me up a jar, and it's 237 milliliters. So it's a good enough jar there. I also picked up another 2 of these organic Southwestern black bean soups. Here they are. They're gluten-free, non-GMOs, and it says vegetarian. They're good. It is kind of spicy, but if you like spicy, you'll like that. I also picked up this mug. It says "Good Morning Beautiful" with the eyelashes. Hopefully you can see. Really darling. I don't need another mug, but like that. And then I also got these caramel apple pops with the Tootsie Rolls in them. This is another repurchase many times over. It's for my hubby. He really loves. I like them too, but he really loves them, so I got him another bag of those. Another Reuse It in the Pure Ocean Breeze. This was a beautiful scent for the summer, so I picked up another one of those. I picked up some badminton birdies, and you get 6 in here. I thought I'd like to play some badminton out in my backyard, so I got some of those. I also picked up some hot dog buns by, I believe, Wonder Bread. So I picked those up. And I also got this Crackle Pop fries with salt and vinegar. They're oven baked. I've bought these before. They look like a French fry. They're really quite good. And I probably did a review on those as well. If I did, I'll link it down below. So you can see those. So I got that. I believe this might be new. It's really darling Jot notebook. It says sweet on there with an ice cream cone. You got 180 sheets in there. It's just lined sheets. But isn't that darling? Just love it. And I also picked up a beach ball. So yes, and I also picked this Jot composition book up for my hubby. He was saying that he needed some lined paper out in his man cave to write lists and stuff. So I thought this was kind of manly. It's got the video games on it. It says game over, you win. Bonus. So hopefully you guys can see that. And it's just lined sheets. So I thought he could use that in his man cave to make his lists. So that. I also saw this cute little cactus. Little fake cactus. And it even has sand, like fake sand in there. I don't know if you can see. Just darling. And it's for that gift basket I'm making up, a cactus gift basket. So I got that. I got some hair accessories. This is a head wrap with the watermelon on it. It's kind of like a satin, maybe material. I also picked up these claw clips. You get 2. I believe I bought these before. Well, I had them for quite a long time, but they're broken now. And I had some other ones, but they don't hold my hair as good as these ones because I do have thick hair. So I picked these up. And I had to pick up this Darling fashion accessory pearl headband. I love pearls, hence my pearl necklace and earrings that I've got on. The only thing with this is this feels like it might be, it might hurt on the side of your head. I don't know, but I'll let you know. But I just thought this was really cute for $1.25. Like something like that would be a lot more than $1.25 somewhere else. And I got this 2020 student planner, and it looks like a watermelon. And it's got it goes to 2021, I believe, too. So you can get your pages in there. So I thought that was cute. They had a couple other designs of this. I also picked up this new berry pie flavored lip balm. It's like a blueberry pie, and I thought I could have tried that. There were some other newer ones. I think they're new. I filmed. I'm not sure if I'm going to add it to this video or just do a separate video. And then I was so excited for this, my darlings. Finally, my store came in with the these really darling summer cosmetic bags. Squeeze the day. It's like a lemon. And then the other one I got was one in a melon, so it looks like a watermelon. And then of course this one that says just peachy. So I had to pick up those. So cute. And then they had like notebooks to go along with them. So I got one in a melon, with the watermelons on there. Very summery. And it's just like lined sheets, but it's a hardcover. But awesome. And then I got the one, You're a Peach. And like I said, it's a hardcover with the lined paper again. And then this one, Just Peachy. But I don't know, like, just this peachy line reminds me of Too Faced makeup with their peach line. So I had to get more of the peach because I just love that. So excited for those items finally to have come to my Dollar Tree. And I think they had other ones in this line as well, but these are the ones I picked up. And I'm so excited. Now, my darlings, for my ultimate favorite find for this haul, drumroll please, I found, and I hope I'm saying this right, Fago cotton candy pop, and this is a huge bottle. Just playing. Cotton candy, and it's 67.6 fluid liters. I actually got 4 of these. There was a whole, like, see if I can lift them up here. Ah! So awesome. I do have 4, but I'm not going to be able to lift them up. I couldn't believe it that I found this. And I did get a video clip of it in the store. So I will show that to you probably maybe in a different video. But I still have 2 of the cotton candy pop from the pop shop left from when I was able to pick up all those cotton candy, and I really like that. So I will do a review of this, like a taste test of this one and the pop shop cotton candy pop for all of you. So I will do that. I know I said I would do the pop shop one and then I never did, but for sure now I'm going to try to taste them and see which one's the best one. So I'm so excited. I can't believe this. Cotton candy. Thank you so much, Dollar Tree. And like I said, I got like 4 of them. But that is my Canadian Dollar Tree haul. I hope you all enjoyed, and let me know down below what you're finding or what was your favorite find of mine in this haul. I'd love to hear. And remember what I always say, my darlings, believe in yourself. I believe in you, and you truly will go far. Toodaloo for now, and thank you for your love and support. But I need to run and go swimming. So, toodaloo, my darlings. Toodles. Thank you for watching. Happy Dollar Tree shopping. Woohoo! Way to go, Dollar Tree. Just gotta love Dollar Tree. I just love it.